Hello, everyone, and welcome back to episode 3 of season 1 of Shadowing Practice with Sophia. I'm so glad you're continuing this journey with me. Remember, the key to making great progress is consistent shadowing. So, listen carefully, pause when you need to, and repeat after me, focusing on the sounds and rhythm of English. Today, I want to talk about something wonderfully simple, yet incredibly beneficial: the simple joys of a daily walk. It might seem like a very basic activity, but incorporating a daily walk into your routine can bring so many positive effects, not just for your physical health, but for your mental well-being too. Physically, of course, walking is a fantastic form of gentle exercise. It helps to keep your body active, improve circulation, can strengthen your muscles, and it's generally very accessible to most people. You don't need any special equipment, just a comfortable pair of shoes. Even a short walk of 15 to 20 minutes can make a difference if done regularly. But beyond the physical benefits, which are great, I find that a daily walk is a wonderful opportunity for mental clarity and stress relief. It's a chance to step away from your desk, your screens, or whatever tasks you've been focused on and just breathe. As you walk, you can let your mind wander, or you can choose to focus on your surroundings. Notice the trees, the sky, the sounds around you. This simple act of mindfulness can be very calming and help to reduce feelings of stress or anxiety. A daily walk can also be a great time for reflection or problem solving. Sometimes, when I'm feeling a bit stuck on an idea or a decision, going for a walk helps to clear my head. The gentle rhythm of walking and the change of scenery often allow new thoughts and solutions to surface more easily. It's like hitting a refresh button for your brain. And it doesn't have to be a solitary activity either. Walking with a friend or a family member can be a lovely way to connect and have a meaningful conversation without the usual distractions. Or, if you prefer solitude, it's perfect quiet time for yourself. So, whether it's a brisk walk in the morning to energize your day, a peaceful stroll in the evening to unwind, or a quick break during your workday, consider the simple joy and power of a daily walk. It's a small habit that can bring big rewards. I hope this gives you some nice phrases and ideas to practice your shadowing with. Keep up the excellent work with your English. I'll see you in our next episode. Bye for now.